Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Coinbase wallet without a phrase. First, it's crucial to understand that Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody solution. This means you, and only you, hold the master key to your digital assets, your 12-word recovery phrase. Coinbase does not store this phrase, nor can they access your funds. Therefore, if this phrase is truly lost and no other backups exist, regaining access to your wallet is generally not possible, leading to permanent loss of your crypto. While direct recovery without a phrase is impossible, you might have unknowingly created a backup. First, check your cloud storage, such as iCloud or Google Drive. If you enabled the encrypted cloud backup feature when setting up your wallet, you might be able to restore it there. Also, thoroughly search your emails, digital notes, and any physical locations where you might have written down your 12-word phrase or a private key. Many users forget where they initially stored these vital pieces of information. If you are still logged into your Coinbase wallet on another device, like an old phone or a browser extension, you can retrieve your recovery phrase. Navigate to the settings within the wallet application to find and securely write down your 12-word phrase. Additionally, if you ever saved your private key, this unique string of letters and numbers can be used to import your wallet into other self-custody applications, providing an alternative way to access your digital assets. To prevent future loss, always write down your 12-word recovery phrase immediately after creating your wallet. Store at least 2 physical copies in separate, secure, and private locations, away from digital devices. Remember, Coinbase will never ask for this phrase, so never share it with anyone. For significant amounts of crypto, consider using a hardware wallet for an extra layer of security, ensuring your assets remain safe and accessible only to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.